We got Christmas stuff up already in November. Early November. That lights up. At my grandma's house they have a bubble light one. This makes music, but Ashley doesn't want the noise on them. Like that, those are on up there, those Santas, but they're on sensor. And she doesn't want me to make them go. Just record them. There they are. He's stopping. Gingerbread house. This is taking a break. They'll start again soon. There's an angel up there. We have so many more decorations. We have a whole bunch. We have like 6 big, huge Tupperwares of ornaments. Yeah, let's do that. Mine are in the crane though, but you can play with them on those houses on there. It started. How do you like the deck?
Pick up this shit.